Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you the best app and package uninstaller for any Linux computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. Once you log into this website, you can see its web page, and here you can see a option of other package and how to install this software there. So you can see you can install the software using the command called this one. As you can see, you can copy and type it on the terminal. As you can see, this is a terminal. Every Linux computer used to have this, so you can choose and run this terminal, and here you can just paste that command. As you can see here, this command you can just paste it. You can to install this application using the terminal. So I'm not going to install this as I have already installed it, or you can do one thing, you can click on this other package too, and here you can see here below lots of options to download. So if you're using a Ubuntu or Debian based Linux distros, then you can download this .deb. You can see here stature, or you can use a portable one, so .app image. This .app image is a portable stature application, so if you download this one, then you don't need to install it, you can run it directly, or you can use the RPM version. So depending upon your needs, you can download or you can use the terminal procedure to install this application. So firstly, you download and install these applications. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. After installing, what you need to do is just open or run the stature applications. So you can see the stature applications user interface. So I'll not discuss much about these applications, so I will move directly to the topic. So here you can see on the left panel uninstaller. Just click on it. Now here you can see all the apps and app packages and even the snap packages, everything you can find here. So let me show you one application. Say I have one application named as Plowblade Movie Editor. So I don't want this applications anymore in my Linux computer. So what I will do here, so you can see, I'll just type Plowblade. So you can see here, so I want to uninstall this application. So you need to select it. Once it turns on green color, now you can see in the below uninstall selected. Just click on here, type your computer password, click on authentic, wait for a few seconds until the applications gets uninstalled. So finally the application is being uninstalled. So let's check it again whether it's uninstalled or not. So finally it's gone. So we won't find any Plowblade applications, so we'll check in the search event here. I'll just try to search for Plowblade, so you won't see any more applications. So the application is totally uninstalled from my Linux computer very easily. So if you're new or a beginner, or if you are old users also, but you feel headache of going to the app software or any app stores or using a terminal to uninstall various Linux apps and package to uninstall, so in my opinion you should definitely use these stature applications to uninstall the apps or package of any related applications, to uninstall it very easily in your Linux computer. So if you've never known about these cool applications, then you should definitely try it out. And if you are a beginner users using a Linux computer, then definitely it's a time-saving uninstaller for you. So if you never known about this cool application, then download it today and you will be fond of it because it will make your task easy for installing any apps or package of related applications in your Linux computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.